guys, my name's Ollie. I look after the Kramer brand for Farol. So we're sat inside the cab here at the KL55.8T. The first thing you notice is how much space there is. You've got excellent visibility going 360 degrees round. On our joystick in the cab, you've got direction control, your speed ranges, also your third service as you'd expect. Also got your return to work function, which is what gives you your level bucket every time you put the bucket back down to go into the next pile, be that wood or grain. And you've also got your bucket shaker, an excellent feature for just inching out the load. Up in the top right hand corner of the machine and the cab, we've got our aircon settings, our radio, all your light settings, and then our little computer for the machine as well. On this we can change the hydraulic work rate for the main boom, and then also the hydraulic power in the third service. Clever little feature is to lock on the third service power, so if you are running a sweeper, you don't have to hold that toggle down the whole time. Coming around to the front of the machine, we've got our Volvo headstock. You will be able to have JCB and Kramer headstocks. As with all Kramer products, we've got a pressure relief service for the third service. This makes changing the hydraulic couplings on your grabs and any bale handling equipment very, very easy. So this is our main boom on the machine. You've got your large ram underneath with two supporting rams, one this side, the other, and one the other side. You've also got your telescopic ram up here. Okay, so this is what takes the boom to 5.4 meters. It's got a 5.5 ton tipping load, so there's plenty of strength in the machine. More than enough for any sort of yard task. Just in here, in front of the cab, we've got our central lubrication system. We've got a 140 litre diesel tank, more than enough to get you through a day's work. We've got the AdBlue system, as fitted to most of the Kramer telehandlers. This gives you a clean burn on your exhaust. Our steps here to come into the right hand side of the cab, fully opening. Most people do use the left hand door, but you can use this one as well. Got our steps here, these easily remove. Go on to the back of our engine up here. There's a 4.1 litre Deutz unit, producing 156 horsepower, lots and lots of pushing power. That's what this machine is all about, pushing and hydraulic breakout force. Okay, so you can climb up here to access your cleaning of the engine. These clip onto the back of the engine bay so you can check your filters.
Oh, okay, that's f***ing sexy.
We've got an ample cooling pack, reverse fan fitted as standard on our Farol step of the machine. We've got a manoeuvring coupling on the back. You can have a pickup hitch fitted if you want. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget this machine, we've got a new one in stock. This is our demonstrator, both are for sale. Any questions, do get in contact or email sales@farol.co.uk. Thank you.